So guys, welcome to our channel Ecosphere. In the last video we have seen the working of effluent treatment plant with the help of a process and flow diagram, and in this video we are going to see the working of a sewage treatment plant with the help of a 3D model. So let's start it. So this is the three-dimensional view of a sewage treatment plant. Sewage which comes out from the building passes through this bar screen chamber where foreign matters like plastic, wood, leaf or paper etc. which can stuck in the pipeline or which can choke the pump are stopped before the screen placed in this bar screen chamber. Then sewage passes through these chambers which are called oil and grease trap, where oil floats on the surface of the water, and the sewage free from oil flows out of this chamber and collects in this tank which is called collection cum equalization tank. Generally, collection cum equalization tank has a retention time of more than 8 hours, or at some places it can be of 24 hours also. Because sewage has different parameters at different time of a day, so as the name of this tank says, equalization tank, it equalizes the parameter of the sewage. Here are some diffusers at the bottom of this tank which are connected to the air blowers through which non-stop aeration is done, which do not let the sewage become septic and suspended particles do not settle at the bottom of the tank. Here are two pumps which are called feed pumps. Two pumps are provided, one works and another one is kept on a standby. If the first pump goes on maintenance, the second one starts working, which minimizes the interruption of STP. So from equalization tank, sewage is pumped into the MBBR. These two tanks are called MBBR. MBBR means moving bed bioreactor. It consists of fine bubble diffusers at the bottom which are again connected to the air blowers, and it is partially filled with MBBR media. This MBBR media helps in growing the bacteria, and biofilms grows on the surface of this MBBR media. Retention time of these tanks are calculated according to the parameter, which generally comes out around 8 to 10 hours in case of STP. After this biological treatment, water flows by gravity to the tube settler, where suspended solids settles at the hopper bottom and clear water comes out from the pipe and collects in the clarified water tank. From clarified water tank, water is pumped to these filters to remove the microflux, and filtered water gets stored in this treated water tank. This treated water can be used for gardening, toilet flush or floor washing etc. after disinfection. Sludge which collects at the bottom of the tube settler is discharged into the sludge tank. From sludge tank, sludge is pumped into the filter press to dewater the sludge and form sludge cakes. So this is all about STP. Hope you like the video. In our upcoming videos, we are going to discuss all these components of STP in detail. Thank you.